Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Zwift Power Ups are game-changing tools, awarded randomly as you pass through sprint, calm, or start/finish banners. You can only hold one power-up at a time, making its activation timing incredibly crucial for maximum impact. They provide momentary boosts to your speed or efficiency, truly turning the tide in critical race moments. Mastering these strategic advantages will undoubtedly elevate your Zwift experience and help you secure those elusive wins. The Aero boost is your best friend on fast, flat segments or during rapid descents. When activated, it dramatically lowers your virtual drag coefficient, making you more slippery through the air. You'll feel a noticeable surge in speed without needing extra watts. Use it to maintain pace in a strong group, launch a surprise attack on a flat sprint, or gain an edge during a high-speed downhill pursuit. Timing is everything for this speedy advantage. When the road turns skyward, the lightweight boost is your secret weapon. Activating this power-up reduces your virtual weight by 10%, making you climb significantly faster without increasing your power output. It's absolutely ideal for navigating steep inclines, launching an attack on a KOM segment, or simply staying with the leading group on a tough climb. Remember, those 15 seconds can make all the difference in gaining a crucial advantage uphill. The draft boost is a strategic gem, especially when riding in a group or trying to catch one. When you activate this power-up, the drafting effect you experience is doubled for a full 30 seconds. This means you conserve significantly more energy while sitting on someone's wheel. It's fantastic for recovering after an effort, bridging a small gap to a lead group, or maintaining your position comfortably within the peloton. Use it wisely to save your legs for the critical moments. To truly master power-ups, always save them for high-impact moments. Don't activate one just because you have it. Wait for that sprint line, the start of a tough climb, or when you need to bridge a gap. The new 2025 update brings clearer on-screen indicators for power-up availability and expiration, helping you time them even better. Practice regularly, understand the terrain, and these strategic boosts will significantly improve your race performance and overall enjoyment on Zwift. Ride on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.